In our network society, smartphone penetration and mobile internet data traffic are constantly growing. We expect mobile data traffic to increase 8-fold by 2020. As part of a joint project, Ericsson and its customers are modernizing the network to provide the end users with a new experience of mobile services. The ultimate target of this mission is to establish a future-proof network.
The goal of the program was to really modernize the half of the network, and on top of that by introducing multi-standard radio, also have the synergies between the various technologies, and last but not least to obtain further OPEX savings to reduce the power consumption of the equipment. The SRAN program was conducted in a one-go approach, so each site was intended to be visited once, and in one go to really modernize the old equipment, take it away, to in many cases completely refurbish, extend and brush up the entire site, and then of course put the new equipment in place and introduce the new technologies, new antennas, etc. We jointly set up a new way of doing things, improving quality, introducing more speed and reducing complexity.
Each site modernization starts with a thorough site survey. The actual condition of the site has to be examined with regard to its suitability in terms of dimensions, weight, structural analysis, health and safety, and EMC requirements. The quality of the site survey is essential for a successful site modernization. At the planning office, the site is designed taking into account many different aspects. At the steel factory, the entire steel infrastructure, such as the antenna mast and supporting structure, is produced. After galvanizing, the steel is ready to be shipped to the site.
Due to the enormous volumes that we have to swap, of course you want to minimize downtime in the field for the customers of Vodafone, so that they suffer the least possible way of the swaps that we are doing. And therefore we have also established a, let's say, industrialized approach, where in a configuration center we actually pre-assemble and pre-test the equipment to limit dead-on arrivals, but also to lift the entire frame, including the equipment, in one go on the roofs, by that way really minimizing downtime.
First, the material is transported onto the rooftop with a crane. The antenna support is reassembled on the ground. Then, the roof is opened for the base. Finally, the new technology is transported onto the roof, and the new antennas and radio remote units are mounted. The challenge is to do commissioning of the new radio equipment without noticeable service interruption for the end user in a first-time right approach. After a call to the operation and maintenance center, the dismounting of the site can start. The old cabinets are dismantled, cables are removed, and the old mast and cabinet are lifted down with the crane. New cables and fiber optics are laid. Electrical work is done. Radio remote units are installed. With the help of the Operation and Maintenance Center, fine-tuning is performed so that all network elements of the site can be put into service again. With the test call app Smart Rollout Support, we verify voice and data services from an end-to-end perspective and ensure that all antennas are properly installed and aligned. At Vodafone's Network Management Center, the status of the network is monitored and the performance is measured. The drive test in a network cluster validates whether the wanted performance improvements have been achieved in order to ensure the highest level of customer satisfaction for voice and data call services.
So the ambition is to now in a very quick pace modernize the entire 2G, 3G technology in the Vodafone network. That means that roughly 12,000 sites, which is half of the network which falls in the Ericsson remit, has to be modernized.
I think apart from the project and the additional activities we are doing, we've also seen that with the better performance, the relationship with the customer have improved a lot. They see us much more as a partner now that is helping them to achieve their goals. And we clearly see that they're opening up for business in new areas, what we call as in Ericsson new and targeted areas, in IP, in IT, in TV and media, to also be a potential partner there. So we are clearly on a mission, on a joint mission with our customers to bring their network to the top rank again.